from Quicksilver Exhaust, and we're here with this gorgeous Alfa Workshop Fettled 4C to give you the in-depth explanation about our new Active Sound Architect exhaust. So grab yourself a cup of tea or coffee, Alfa owners, we're going to get nerdy on the spec here. So at the back, we've got a wide pipe, and on the right hand side here, we've got a silencer. This is where this system differs from any other Quicksilver. With the valve open, it's letting the gases take a 50-50 bleed through both passes. Your silencer is in use. When you shut it, the valve closes, and the gases divert through this unsilenced left-hand tailpipe. Now the reason we've done that is that we originally put a Helmholtz resonator in our first non-valve system, and the position of the valve relative to the Y pipe mimics the dimensions of that Helmholtz silencer. So when you close the valve, a portion of the gases are still finding their way down this pipe, but they're bouncing back off the closed valve, which is dividing that horrible droney note at about 80 Hz by a quarter of its original size, still gives you all the drone killing ability, but lets the majority of the gases through the unsilenced pass. With the valve open, the silencer is also in play and it's compliant for track use.